Hey there, it's Kyle No with the First United team with eXp Realty. I just wanted to shoot you this quick, brief video to let you know we're here to help. We've found that there are many people out there that are involved in real estate transactions, or at least real estate related endeavors, and they don't happen to think sometimes that maybe we can lend a little bit of advice and maybe a referral to somebody that might be able to help you out. Just for example, we've found that insurance agents that we use and recommend can oftentimes save you hundreds of dollars during a year when they're quoting you your insurance rates. And maybe you've got a policy that you've been paying on for a number of years. I had an example this week. The gentleman was paying $2,300 for his current policy, and after looking at one of the ones that was recommended by an agent that we referred him to, actually saved over $500 on his insurance premium. And that's possible. It's very possible, and it happens all of the time. One of the other things that we do is we work with several tradespeople. For example, I have a roofer that's very, very competitive. He can usually save over $1,000 or more on these rough prices. If you've had a hail damage or something like that, you certainly want to think about that. And which is another thing. You know, maybe you've had hail damage or saw hail in your neighborhood in the last couple of months. It probably ought to be a good time to check out your roof and see what's going on. But that's something else that we can help you with. Doesn't have to be a roofer. You know, we have electricians that we refer people to, painters, things like that. The other thing that we do a lot of is, you know, when you're thinking about selling your home, we've found that we can oftentimes put more dollars in your pocket when you sell your home by the way that we help you not only get top dollar, but also help you save some of the expenses of selling your home. So that's something that we're always here to talk to you about. And then one last thing is when you're buying a home. When you're buying a home, we act as a buyer's agent. We provide very, very good services for you. This week we had a home that actually we helped get under contract with the buyer, and we got him a 3/4 of a point lower interest rate by going through the lender that we were recommending. That amounted to almost $90 a month. So there's lots of ways we can help you. I hope you don't ever forget about things that we might be able to do that would be to your benefit, and we're always here to help. So please, just give us a call. Give us a chance. Run it by us. You know, in the event that we can't help you or do better than what you're thinking about doing, hey, that's fine. You know, but at least you gave it a shot. And if you don't happen to think about it, it could cost you thousands of dollars. Anyway, I appreciate you listening to this quick video. If there's anything at all we can ever do for you, just give us a shout. Bye-bye.